Hey you guys, what's up? This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex. Hopefully you can hear me and see me. Hold on one second. Let me switch this to full screen mode if it will. Give me a second. All right, what's up y'all? This is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex. Let me show y'all something real quick. I'm showing you guys a live trade that I'm in. I'm still out of the country, as you can see. This video I did yesterday, you can see I'm still at the resort out of the country. Okay, you can see the ocean behind me and all that kind of good stuff. Okay, man, it got dark, huh? All right, and so therefore, you know, I'm still on vacation, okay? You can see me on vacation. But I want to show you guys this because a lot of you guys who say, hey, I work full time and you know how it goes. You travel, maybe you work full time, whatever. I'm showing you this live trade. Let's go to it right here. I'm showing you this live trade that I'm in, and this is one of my favorites. Haven't traded this one in a long time because it moves fairly slow, but it's pretty rhythmic. And so this is the AUD 200. This is like the Dow Jones for Australia. Okay, so you got the Dow Jones, you got the S&P 500 for the US. Well, as you can see, this is for the for Australia. Okay, so right now I'm sitting in this trade, and you can see the numbers right here kind of moving really slow, which is what I like, because I want to be in a trade that I can hold for a long time, because we're still going to be on vacation for several more days before we return back to the States. So I want to be in a particular trade that I can hold for quite some time, okay, for quite some time. And this is the one I chose, and you can see my entry is right up here, and I'll move my stop loss down a little bit more. So you can see that I'm locked in profit just a little bit. I don't want to move it too much, because if it does a pullback a little bit, I don't want it to tap me out and get me out too quick. But bottom line is, you can see that I'm actually got a good entry on my using the simplicity system. You can see I took the trade off the 1 hour time frame, entered perfectly right here, and I'm just letting this thing ride. I've been in it for a couple of days, and that's what I like, because the root moves real slow. And oh, come on, babe. No, come on. They can't see you in the camera. Oh, okay. My baby said she don't want to be on the camera. So anyway, the point is that this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. If you have the simplicity system, you can learn to take easy trades, easy money trades. Look at this. Now, I mean, look at if you would have got this one on the buy and then turned right back around and sold it on the sell. Okay. And what if you just traded this one pair or two pairs or three pairs only? Okay. Therefore, you can hold these trades. Look, the last time you could have entered this trade was on October 5th. Okay, it didn't, and that means you could have held this trade from October 5th all the way until, let's get my crosshairs, all the way until here. Baby, you okay? Yes. All the way until October 20th. Okay, that's 15 days. That's 2 weeks of holding the same exact trade. Okay, the same exact trade. You wouldn't even have to look for 2 weeks. This trade I've been in for several days, and again, this thing has the potential to go all the way back down. Got plenty of time on it. I don't even have to watch it. So I was literally at the beach. You know, we're just getting back from the beach, huh? So we literally are just getting back from hanging out at that beach. We was in that ocean over there and chilling and everything else. And meanwhile, this trade was running. So again, get the simplicity system, but trade off the 30-minute or the 1 hour time frame if you don't have time to trade. Okay, that's what I do. I like to travel and be gone. So those are my favorite time frames with the simplicity system. Okay, and in addition, that one more point is that they actually tend to absorb news much better than trading off the shorter time frames. Okay, when you trade off the shorter time frames, because they're short, the moves are going to be a lot more dramatic. Let's just say it like that. Okay, the moves are a lot more dramatic than if they were done on the higher time frames. So therefore, again, get the simplicity system. But again, if you're traveling or you work a lot of hours or whatever, or you're a truck driver, start looking at the 30-minute and the 1 hour time frame. Okay, hopefully this video helped. I'm making money on vacation.